This HT20 is a 2-in-1 body and surface non-contact thermometer. To operate, open the battery cover and load 2 AAA batteries. Pull the trigger to start up the meter. If the temperature is below 35 degrees Celsius, the measuring font is white and means you are in the standby mode. 35.1 degrees Celsius to 37.3 degrees Celsius, green font is in normal temperature. This thermometer is suitable for children and infants. For slight fever, the font becomes yellow and an alarm will be heard. Orange font will be seen if the temperature is in between 38.1 to 39 degrees Celsius. Red font is for high fever, 40 degrees Celsius. To switch the unit to degree Fahrenheit or to degrees Celsius, press the unit key. Press the func key to enter the measurement mode selection. You can select body or surface temperature. To view the stored data, press the func key 4 times. You can store up to 20 data. Pull the trigger to return to the measuring mode.